G'day champions, this is my Amarok and it's had a bit of a whoopsie. So today I'm going to have a crack at paintless dent removal. Man, if I can't get it done with all this stuff, I'm never going to get it done. This thing's awesome.
Am I doing something dumb here? There's the culprit right there. This tank on the bottom lost a little bit of its water and it fell over. Landed straight on the poor old Amarok. Right there.
I did explore getting it done professionally, but some of the quotes make your eyes water. There's a few risks involved with paintless dent removal. The one I'm worried about is doing dentless paint removal instead. I guess that could be useful with dents out. Cutest little hammer. One of these things looks like a candle. A few more little nozzle majiggities. I don't know. It goes there like that. We glue that down, then we pull the dent up while we're doing a bit of tap tap. Gonna have to think skinny in here today. Only just got enough room to swing a cat, I reckon.
So we got this little bit of damage that happened up here as well, but I'm not going to touch that today. I've got some touch-up paint on order. So with a bit of luck, we won't need any touch-up paint for this part of it. We did not have a whole lot of room in here. Just get my light up there. Oh yeah, you just lock yourself. That's real handy. Thanks for your help. You can get warm. Really can't wait for the shed to get built, guys. This is ridiculous. I don't get it. Like, it needs to point here. What the hell? I get the idea, but it's just not upside down enough, right? Am I doing something dumb here? Okay. I've worked out the light. Basically the bracket's useless, so we'll get rid of that. Yep, we'll just put as many scratches as we can up there. I don't know how small you want these, but I kind of want to go small before I go big. Let's go with that one. Load the glue gun, load the dent puller. Let's clean it. Clean that. That dent looks nasty with the light there. Definitely does a good job. It seems pretty cheap and useless, but so definitely make the dent stand out. I don't know how many scratches we can put on this car while we're trying to fix this dent. Let's just load her up. Ew, get off there. That's a bit high. Can you tell I'm not a professional? Oh wow. Look at that. Ooh! Oh Jesus, that scared the crap out of me. Why did that have to be so loud? Wow. That's way better. It's getting there. It's getting there. Where did my thing go? Remains to be seen whether we'll make this better or worse, but we'll do what we can. That's the way small one. You are coming with me, and so are you. So it's soft. That's kind of hard. Time to load this bad boy up again. don't know if you can see, but we got like a top half and a bottom half of the dent. So the middle's kind of high. Does that make sense? We're low here and low here, so I'm just gonna give this bad boy another pull. Turning. Waiting for the explosion this time. Oh, God, that's loud. Scares me every time. Some more pulling, I reckon. Can never have too much pulling. Big blob. I might try and let it go proper cold this time. I was kind of worried this would be a really short episode because you know, I might just put this thing on and crank the dent out. Really glad there's a bit here. Well, I'm not really. I kind of wish it was really easy. It's not as easy as some YouTubers make it look, but rest assured, if someone's going to make it look like a struggle, I can. Oh, that's sticking a lot better. Oh God, that scares the crap out of me every time. Scared the neighbour's dog too by the sound of that. Bit of IPA, bit of isopropyl alcohol. Love the smell of this stuff. Hopefully we can get a bit of a better hold on it with a real good clean. We kind of got it to the point where there's two separate dents now. And that's what I get for playing with it, I guess. Ow. Alright, last try with the little puller majiggity. Oh, that one stuck good, I like that. Come on, get some tension. Yeah, baby. I don't know if you can see these bits coming up a little high. It's very bouncy. I kind of don't want to hit it because it seems so soft. Looks like it needs a good walloping along that edge. Oh, it's starting to peel off. Yeah. Well, at least that one didn't explode off like the last few did. Swapping tools. Time for the little blue one to fix the little blue Amarok. They definitely stick a lot better if you leave a little spongy bit underneath them, not push them right down, squeeze all the stuff out from under them. Oh! Then why does everything explode in this kit? No, I just unscrewed it too far. Oh God, I feel like I've been breaking everything else. Every time I go to pull this dent, something explodes when the glue comes off. It's just way too aggressive. Wait for my fucking heart to slow down and then have another go. God, I hope that doesn't come off and hit me in the face. Yeah, a little bit more.
Now how do you get glue on?
No, that's the next mission. I guess we just got to keep sticking them on, scaring ourselves, and hoping we don't break anything. Figured out these have a different footprint. I wonder if the pink one will pull harder.
Luckily we don't need another shed and a pool anymore.
Yeah, lucky we don't have a shed.
Yeah.
It'd be really terrible if we had a shed.
Yeah, it wouldn't be like a corner house if we had a shed.
Ugh!
So we don't need to go.
Yeah, the bastard. I just broke the thing off for the 50th time. It did break, yep. Scuffing it up with a bit of 80 grit. This doesn't pull paint off, nothing will.
What are you doing? Not very much.
Excuse me?
I don't know how to make this happen.
Trying to fix the dent in the car. Oh, battery's flat. Things are exploding. This is the last pull. This one's been on here a while. Oh! Alright. Calling it a day. Nah, nothing. Just the usual explosion jump scares. Scared the crap out of me. Alright, it's time to go round 2 with this dent in my very spacious little workshop. Time to get out the big guns. I didn't show you in the unboxing, so here it is here.
So much stuff in this little box. Oh, here we go. Of course it's got a cable tie on it. This is a slide hammer. Once you glue a Whoosy What's It On, slides on normal like that. And then you can go pow, pow, pow. Hopefully not pull the paint off your lorry.
No one can say that I'm not giving it a crack this time, can they? Well, I'm giving that glue plenty of time to dry. Gonna start working on the next project. That's not ideal. Uh-oh. Wonder what happens when you can't get it off. Pull harder, I guess. Probably gonna regret this, but I'm gonna leave these on here while I go and get the kids from school. It should be well and truly cooled down by the time I get back. And as I said before, if that doesn't pull paint, I don't know what will. Why do I always pick the sketchiest way to do things? Alright. Hooroo. Last pull. Clean this mess up. Get ready to head to work tomorrow. So professional. Okay, I have to give my apologies because I hate two-parters. But I have to go to work now. There's what we ended up with so far. I've run out of time, but let me know if you prefer the end result in a short or another episode. But yeah, I don't think I can pretend I became a professional panel beater overnight. Still got a bit of glue and stuff stuck to it, but I'll get that off. And chip away at it again next week. Catch up.